Hi, everybody.
Hi. We're camping in the Utah mountains.
If you can't see the snow on the mountains behind us.
You can't. I'm gonna take pictures tomorrow. We got here late. We had to set up camp real quick. So turn that around so I can show you the fire that we have going.
Check it out. It's beautiful. Here's the fire. It's kicking. The tent's over there.
This, right?
Yeah, you're splitting it and making a pokey stick. The wood here is really, really dry. It burns really, really good. And it smells excellent when it burns. Okay, so this is our free camping for the night. I wanted to touch base and say have a good evening.